Namaste, pure divine souls. Welcome to Pure Mindfulness. In this video, I will tell you one story, and I will tell you one mantra. This mantra will help you to success in your life. Whenever you feel depressed, stress, remember or repeat this mantra, you definitely feel relaxed. This is very powerful mantra. What is the mantra? Mantra works in our subconscious mind. Mantra is very powerful. What is the mantra? I will tell you one beautiful and very powerful mantra today. Before that, I will tell you one story, real life story. This story will inspire you, and this story will tell you the power of this mantra. The story is one sportsman story. I am not mention that person's name in this video, but I will tell you this because it will help you to achieve your goals. It will help you to become happy, successful in your life, in all areas of your life. I must say this is very powerful mantra. Okay, the sports person story. He born in a small village. His parents are middle class, below middle class people. They are not rich, they are not educated. The boy's mother is a housewife, father working in a school in their village. The boy was struggling in their childhood, poor living conditions, other people's criticism. His life was not easy, but his father very supportive and loving, and mother also very kind. The father joined son in their school. The boy started playing in their school competitions. In the beginning, the boy was not interested, but days goes on, the boy interested in one particular sport. He enjoyed the sport. One day, the boy decided, some other people are teasing the boy, you are not a good player. But the boy decided, I am the best player, I am the best in this game. The boy decided to play. The boy decided to enjoy his play. And that game, the boy was playing well. The boy always remember one thing: I am the best. I am the best. The boy always feel that way. I am the best. The boy always played well in his game. The boy always played well. After a few years, the boy became a successful sportsman in that particular game. Now, the sportsman have had so many followers around the world. At the beginning, so many people are criticize him, but the boy, the sportsman, believed himself. The sportsman always believed, I am the best. I am the best player. The rest of the world finally agree with him. The rest of the world finally recognize this boy have talent. He is a good sportsman. We all have the power. Here the mantra is, I am the best. In our fields, if you are a student, sometimes we feel I am not a good student. I am not a good worker. I don't have that much knowledge. We feel like that sometimes. We feel bad. We always remember, I am the best. If you want to become a successful person, first of all, accept yourself. Trust yourself. You are not trusting yourself. How can other people trust you? First, we need to trust ourselves. Now we are not that much talented, just improve it. Continuously improve it. Practice. If you are a student, you are not remember anything, you are not get any good scores, just focus on your studies. Use some techniques. Practice daily meditation. Whenever you practice meditation, your brain power increased. You remember everything you studied. You will become a good student. You must practice meditation and always improve yourself. First, trust yourself. Always say yourself, I am the best. In any field, in any career, there are so many people are working better than you, studying better than you, but appreciate them. Don't underestimate yourself. Just trust yourself. I am the best. Always remember this. You are in struggling stage. If you have losses in your business, don't worry. These are some bad days. Good days are coming. You just need to trust yourself and trust the God and trust universe. I am the best. Hardships give us strength. strongness, and failures are the stepping stones of success. Our failures give knowledge, experience. Just remember, always remember this one mantra. It will change your life entirely if you are using this in the correct way. Next time you feel sad, you feel unworthy, remember this: I am the best. Just one beautiful, simple mantra: I am the best. You are not feel well right now, but you are deserve to love yourself. Just remember, I am the best. This one mantra give you lots of strength. Once you believe this, your subconscious mind automatically changed. Whenever you feel sad, whenever you feel hopeless, just remember, I am the best. Next time, if you are in a critical situation, what are you feeling that time? This is a bad time. How can I handle this? I don't know what to do. Don't say like this. Challenge accepted. I am ready to face this challenge. Because I am the best, God always help me. Universe always help me. This is the attitude to face challenges in your life. Just say it yourself. You feel the energy in your body. It is an amazing feeling. Trust yourself. No need to other people's acceptance, other people's approval. First, truly love yourself. Listen, your subconscious mind, your body tells you what's going on in your life. Just concentrate in your life. Just spend 30 minutes, at least 50 minutes with yourself. Always remember, the mantra is, I am the best. Tell me, what are the struggling situations you are faced in your life? Or next time, whenever you feel sad, use this mantra. This is very powerful mantra. Thank you for watching. Namaste.